baby got flu.
She's got the flu?
Mm-hmm.
What does she need?
I just took it picture here. All good. And that ear, and all good in that ear.
What does she need to get better?
Because baby still have a flu. Did baby drink water, and have a wiper to wait is Ollie right there, and baby and we'll rest. Now take his hair, his hair. Oh, running if I sit.
What's her temperature?
106.
106?
See?
Oh no! How are we going to get her better?
With water.
Okay.